what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about HerGivenHair's lovely clip-ins. Okay, so I have been doing many tutorials on this hair because I really love it so much. This partnership with HerGivenHair is absolutely amazing. They've given me endless opportunities and I just can't wait to continue to do so because their hair is really good. This is probably going to be my favorite type of hair that I ever get because it's so versatile and you can literally take it out whenever you feel like it or oil your scalp. It's just amazing. So I want to talk about 3-4 things about like my update over the 3-4 months that I've been using it. I honestly feel like I had it longer than 3 months, but I don't know, girl. But I feel like I've worn this hair probably 6 to 7 times since I received it, and each had a different install, meaning a different style. Like today I have braids at the side. So first we're going to talk about maintenance. The maintenance of this hair is actually pretty easy in my opinion. I do want to say that like this is natural hair, so it's not something that you can just brush through and, you know, install in your hair. You have to use really good quality products in order to maintain your hair. So for me, in order to prevent less shedding, I have to use As I Am co-wash in order to detangle, or any detangling product of your choice that you feel like would work for this hair. But I feel like that works really well instead of you know, detangling with a conditioner that doesn't work with this texture of hair. You get me? Usually most products work with this hair because, you know, it's fake but also real. But I feel like the quality of the product is very important when it increases the longevity of how long you have the hair. So yeah, when I am finished with these, I usually just take them out and I put them neatly in butterfly clips, like separately, and then I'll probably wrap it with 2 rubber bands, one in the middle and then one at the bottom, so that it doesn't like tangle in a bag or whatever. They gave me a satin a bag to just hold the hair in, which is really nice because satin prevents a lot of frizz and stuff like that. So that's how I maintain it. When I'm done with the style, I'm ready to take it out. When I am washing it, like I said, I go in with the co-wash, then I go in with the shampoo, then I rinse all those out, and then I go in with my detangling, or not detangling, and then I go in with my curl smoothie, whether it's I think my favorite one that I use is the Pantene Curl Mousse. I like putting like a hard gel in this hair because I don't want to create any matting or like shedding if it gets matted, because when it gets matted you have to rip the hair apart and that's just making the hair worse. So I like to use a product that's going to harden the hair, but right now it don't look hard, it's kind of wild. But yeah, I'm gonna just give y'all that advice. Just use a product that's going to make the curls define and very hard so that you can increase the longevity of how long you're going to keep this hair. Okay. So at a time, I want to say when I wear this style, I usually wear it for a week or almost 2 weeks. I don't think I ever reached a full 2 weeks just because I have to wash my scalp. I'm like, this is why I love clip-ins, because this is perfect. Like, it's a quick style. Like, if you don't know what to do with your hair, this is what I do. You know what I'm saying? And oftentimes I don't know what to do with my hair, so it works out. I think one of my favorite things about this style as well is the versatility that I get from the style. I've done a middle part, a side part, braids at the sides. I've done a connecting style. I've done 2 braids, like 2 big braids, and had a little bun at the top. I have done a lot of cute stuff with this hair. I want to experiment more with the twist outs because, as you can see, like my hair right here, this is like, some of this is my real hair. It's a lot more defined than the hair back here, but some hair at the top, like right here, is a lot more defined as well than the rest of the hair, just because I've been wearing it a lot. It's getting frizzier and stuff like that. So I would want to experiment with a twist out because I feel like that's how I blend my hair with this hair, and it works really well for me. So we gotta try it out. But I would recommend this hair for people who do want to like change up their look often, if you're like a girl who washes their hair every week, this is great for you. A girl who washes their hair every 2 weeks, this is also good for you. Like, you can easily figure out what to do with this hair. Like, the possibilities with this hair are endless. You can do a ponytail if you wanted to. I personally just like wearing my hair out. Like, that's the purpose, that's the reason I choose it, because like I don't wear my real hair out, so if I can wear something that looks similar to what my hair would look like, I want it. Period. So the last thing is where you can find this hair at. I'm gonna give you all my links because I've done a V-part wig as well. Go watch that video, and then I have a lot of links of the type of hair that I get. So click those links and you'll be able to purchase the hair straight from there. I'm telling you guys, like, if you really like this look, you will not be disappointed. Just follow these steps and this advice that I gave you throughout this video and you'll be perfectly fine. Like, I'm telling you, all you need is like a bonnet, and that's how I sleep with it. Oh, how I sleep with it. It's a little iffy. Like, for this style, I just put it in a loose ponytail, low ponytail, and then I'll butterfly clip it up so that the curls aren't like flat when I wake up, if that makes sense. And then for this part, I kind of leave this out and just like stick it in the bonnet, because once I take it off, it'll be flat against my face, but I just fluff it out so it can get some volume again. So yeah, that's how I usually like take care of my styles when I'm asleep. So yeah, but nonetheless, I want to thank HerGivenHair, especially for this opportunity. Like I said, you guys are amazing. Like, I am blessed for this, okay? And don't forget, if you really like this hair, check the description box down below. I'll have some cards on the screen if you want to go get it right now. So yeah, just make sure you guys tune into my other videos. You can find me on social media. Just check my description box for everything, okay? All right, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.